guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening another box of Boxycharm, and since it's June I ordered the BoxyLux and I feel that it's so worth it because you only pay $49.99 and in the end you receive anywhere from $200 to $300 worth of stuff, and I'm excited. I can't wait to open it. I hope you are too, so let's dig right in. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's probably the biggest one I've received so far, and it's, I don't know, it's like 5 pounds. So I wonder what's in it. I'm excited. First thing as usual is the value card, and it just basically tells you the value of the products that you're receiving. So this month's theme is getaway. I'm excited. It's June, so it's perfect. So first thing I see is a styling and finishing spray from Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. So it looks like it's a full size, and it's pretty good size. So that's perfect because I actually was running out of my hairspray. So this is perfect. This retails for $29. So next thing I see is the mascara by Trestique, and this is a full size. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly. And this mascara is $25. Next I have this something in the back, basically. I don't know what this is. Something good, let's see. Ooh, I think I know what it is. Oh my god, this is a hair dryer. It's so cute. Guys, look at this. This is so cute. And I think it's perfect for traveling, and I love the color. It's like a lavender purple color. And this hair dryer is $85. I think it's just perfect for traveling. I really like this. It's so cute. So dryer also comes with 2 different attachments. I'm definitely keeping this. So next thing is this Pharmacy Honey Glow Night Serum. This is also a full size, and this is $58, and this alone pays for your entire box. So that's just crazy. So next thing I see is the Skin & Co. Truffle Spray. This is also a full size, and this is like a face spray, and this gives you illuminated skin. And this is $35, so I like this. I'm definitely using this too. Another full size product, it's Domestic Cosmetics lip gloss, and it's called Lemonade. It's a very beautiful color and perfect for summer actually, and I'm definitely using this one. Ooh, guys, look at this. This looks beautiful. Next is this Dr. Brand Yogurt Cleanser, and this is $35. So next thing I see is this Touch and Soul Primer, also another full-size product, and this is to wear before your makeup. This is $23, another full-size product. This is the last thing in the box, and let's open this up. Ooh, Paris. Okay, so this looks like a palette. Oh gosh, look at that. This has mirrors too. Wow. Okay, perfect. This is so perfect, guys. Look at these colors. They have bronzer, highlighter, and blush. This is the palette I got, and I absolutely love it. It's $45, and I'm definitely keeping this one. So guys, what did you think? I thought it was totally amazing. So guys, tell me which one was your favorite product. Mine was the hair dryer. I thought it was such a cute color, and it's perfect for traveling, and it's summertime, so definitely gonna come in handy. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.